Hi guys, Jen here with How Jen Does It. I am setting my timer for an hour. This is my list and I am going to knock it out, and hopefully this will motivate you to get some things done around your home. So I have a little bit of food prep to do. I need to cut strawberries, lemons, and pineapple. My daily cleaning task for today is vacuuming. If you missed how I clean my house, I will link videos below. I have some zone cleaning in the master bedroom. I'm going to clean my chandelier, lampshades, ceiling, and baseboards. And I also want to quickly wipe down the interior of my car. Okay, that took 15 minutes and 24 seconds, not too bad. Now I am on to vacuuming the whole house. I didn't show every single area that I was vacuuming. It would have taken me a lot longer because I would have had to set up the camera and tripod and everything, but I did vacuum the whole house. I have been asked several times lately about my cordless vacuum. It isn't working as well, so I need to like really clear it out or purchase a new one. I do want to get a Dyson, so one of these days I will just go ahead and buy one, but for now I'm just using my regular vacuum. It has great suction and it has a really long cord, so it isn't too bad. And if you happen to miss my weekly cleaning routine, I will link that. So today is Wednesday when I'm recording this video, and so I vacuumed the whole house, but I explain everything in my weekly cleaning routine, so definitely check that video out. That took 18 minutes and 52 seconds to vacuum my entire house. I was chatting with one of my boys, so it took a couple extra minutes. No problem. Mom life is way better than vacuuming the house really fast, right? So now it's on to zone cleaning in the master bedroom. This duster with a very long extension is one of my favorite cleaning tools. I use it all the time. I will link it for you. This was actually the first time I was cleaning the chandelier. It really wasn't very dusty, but I don't want it to get very dusty because then it will be a major pain to clean. So I'm just taking my time. The chandelier is really heavy and it is supported really well, but I didn't want to like swing it around a lot. So I was just taking my good old time, but this is how I cleaned it for those of you who asked. I just took my time and made sure I was getting the dust off, but like I said, it wasn't super dusty, so I didn't have to like go on each crystal and wipe it all down or anything. So hopefully just by keeping it up, it won't get really dusty. I've been sharing this tip since I've been on YouTube, but it's one of my favorite cleaning tips, and that is to use a lint roller for your lampshades. Pretty much anything else is just going to smear the dust around, but the lint roller will have all of the dirt and dust and everything stick right to it, and it's super quick and super easy. I get asked about baseboards all the time. I clean them with my zone cleaning, and I just use a damp rag. I know Different people like to use different things, but that's what works for me. That only took me 10 minutes and 17 seconds to do all of that zone cleaning. I have a little over 15 minutes left. I wasn't going to vacuum out my car, but it was a little bit dirty, not too bad. So I just left my car in the garage and hooked up the vacuum and vacuumed it really quickly. You can see it's a little dirty. If you want to see a full car clean out after the winter where my car was really dirty, I will link that video. And then I just wanted to wipe down the dashboard and everything. It got a little dusty, so I did that. And I feel so good with everything I was able to get done. I'm not sure how, but I had a little over 4 minutes left. So you can get so much done in an hour if you set your timer and don't allow yourself to get distracted and just stick to your list. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, and I have tons of cleaning videos, so check those out too. I hope you guys have a wonderful day.